I am so excited for this video and actually for this unboxing. Today we're unboxing a beautiful Chanel 19 and I am just dying inside. This is my first Chanel 19. I did a haul earlier this year back in February 2021. And I really wanted a Chanel 19. None were available in the color that I wanted. But I did a really big Chanel haul. Sorry, I was not on YouTube yet, so I did not record that for you guys. But I let my essay know I was looking for this particular color Chanel because last year I was watching some videos by Alyssa Lanier. You guys probably know her, and she has the most beautiful Chanel. I think it's a Chanel Diana in this gorgeous color I will not disclose. And I was like, oh my god, I would give anything to have one of those. And so then the Chanel 19, which debuted in 2019, was created in this beautiful color, and I let my essay know, and it took 10 months. But I got back from Napa Valley and here it was, and so we are gonna unbox it today, especially since the Napa video is a beast of an edit and will not be ready until Friday, so this will keep us excited until then. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jody. Let us get started with today's unboxing. Yay! I am so excited. Alright. So let's look at the receipt because I actually can't remember like the details. So 4:44 p.m. I will take that as a sign of good luck and of abundance. 4:44 is a very good time. 4:44. Absolutely love that. So this is a Chanel 19 $5,700 sticker price. The sales tax here was $441.75. I paid a grand total of $61.41.75. And I bought this for myself. I had already done so much damage this year. I thought I should go ahead and get this one. So, yay, let's pop it open. Alright, let's open her up. I'm so happy, guys. I cannot tell you just how exciting this feels. Wait till you see the color. Oh, I die. Look how beautiful! Oh my goodness. Alright, so we've got our Chanel booklet as usual, our Chanel dust bag, and look at this beauty! Oh my god, look how pretty she is. Oh my goodness, I am losing my mind. I've just wanted this bag for such a long time, and I'm just so excited it's finally here. Yay! So this is the small size. Chanel 19 was introduced in 2019 to kind of freshen up the Chanel look in terms of, you know, there were the flat bags, the top handle bags, the classic flap. So Chanel 19 was a take on, we want to give you something a bit more modern, a bit more fresh, something youthful. And so this was the answer. My favorite thing about Chanel 19 is the strap. Look how thick and gorgeous this chain strap is. Also has the leather detail going through it, and it's like multiple toned. It is so gorgeous. So here is kind of like a dark silver gray. Then we've got our gold. We're gold and dark silver here. The under strap has leather, which I love. It makes it very comfortable to carry. And then there's this top handle as well. Handle is like nice thick chain detail as well. Super gorgeous. Such a beautiful bag. Very soft calfskin leather, like the larger diamond quilted effect. And There's going to be a back pocket here, and it actually has like the little button so you can close it and keep your things nice and secure. The interior is the same brown color. There is also a zipper pocket towards the back here so you can put some things. And then this inside is just all the way open, which I love. It allows you to choose how much you want to put in the bag or not. Has your little Chanel detail right here. And I'm looking for the security code if there is one in here. I do not see one. Alright guys, let us see what fits in my Chanel 19. This color is so pretty. I just love her. Alright, cell phone. This is an iPhone XS Max. By the way, I ordered a new iPhone, this iPhone 13. I'm waiting for that. And it fits really well. There's so much room in here. This is small, but oh my gosh, it's so roomy. Like, my phone is swimming. I could fit at least 12 phones in here. Got my wallet. And I've got my AirPods, Altoids, hand cream sanitizer. They all fit. Some lip gloss. And there's still a ton of room. Like, look how much space there is. Lots of space. Haven't used the back pocket as yet. My hands can fit in there full depth. And this is a pretty big bag for it being a small size. Super roomy. So you can hold here, gorgeous. I hope you guys love my Chanel 19 in brown as much as I do. To my returning subscribers, thank you for being here. I love you guys so much. This would not be possible without you. And if you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being here. Look out for more content in the future. See you friends in another video.